my goodness me! Napakagandang balita po ang ihahatid po ni Alexander Lexter Jules ngayong gabi. Ito na po ang pinakaantay ng lahat. Meron na pong acting project si Maymay and Trata. And do you wanna know what? Gusto nyo alamin? Nandito na po ang details. Ang sabi, click, like, share. New episodes with Janela Salvador, Maymay and Trata, Barbie Imperial, Jerome Ponce, and Tony Labrusca coming soon from ABS-CBN Entertainment, I Want TFC, Dreamscape Entertainment, and Creative Den, directed by Manny Palo. Wow! Gusto mong sumigaw? Ako din. Dalawa tayo. Narito ang sabi, Sweet Bebski. Nakaka-excite. Sabi ng retweet, reply, can't wait, excited much for Maymay and Trata. Salamat po. Ang sabi ni Sweet Bebski to FLM Espiritu. Sabi ni Anthea, wow, thank you po. Excited much na, sabi ni Maidon. Sabi ni Lebby, ME, Maymay and Edward, nice. Sabi ni Mej, yay. Ayan po, marami ang masaya sa magandang balita na ito. And finally, magkakaroon na ng acting project si Maymay. We don't know kung movie or kung anong klaseng acting project na ito. But then with Tony Labrusca, for sure it's gonna be exciting. We don't know. With Jerome Ponce, we don't know kung anong klaseng movie or teleserye, kung anong klaseng episodes ito. And nakaka-excite po kasi wala pa po silang detalye na ibinagay. But then yes, this is it everybody. Ito na yung pinakaintay natin. But then we will not stop for our teleserye for Maymay and Edward, and we'll still be praying for that to come para po sa dalawa. At yan po ang pinaka-latest, ang pinakamagandang balita ngayong araw na ito, July 2, 2021. An acting project from Maymay is about to come, and for sure we all are happy for this one. This is Alexander Lexter Jules para sa update para kay Maymay and Trata, and see you in my next mga Kamewite. Love you!
Cut.